has, have, and had. Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the usage of has, have, and had with the help of some examples. Has, have, and had tell us about the possession, means they are used to show something belongs to us or someone else. For example, I have a pencil, which means this pencil belongs to me. She has an apple, which means that apple is hers. We use has and have in the present tense while we use had in the past tense. Now we'll understand the concept of has. Has is used with singular nouns and pronouns. We use he has for a boy or a man. She has for a girl and a woman. It has for an animal or a thing. For example, Tia has a pink dress. Here, Tia is a singular noun. Therefore, we'll use has with Tia. He has a pet dog. As I have explained just before, we use has with he. Let's learn when to use have. Have is used with plural nouns and pronouns, which means at least two. I have, you have. Remember, we always use have with I and you. We use we have when we talk about group of people including us. They have when we talk about many people. For example, we have many toys. Ram and I have a beautiful garden. In both the sentences, we are talking about at least two people. Therefore, we have used have. Let us do some questions based upon whatever we have learnt till now. First one is she dash a pink bag. Here, we are talking about a girl or a woman. Therefore, we'll use has. She has a pink bag. The boys dash 4 pencils. Here we are talking about many boys, that is plural. Therefore, we'll use have. The boys have 4 pencils. He dash a nice job. He has a nice job. I dash an umbrella. I have an umbrella. Have a look one more time. He has, she has, it has. I have, you have, we have, they have. This much you have understood. Let us now move further and see the usage of had. Had is used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns in the past tense. He, she, it, I, you, we, they had. Let's see some examples. I had a great time at the concert. They had lunch at noon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.